The next topic in the reconstitution of partnership firm is the accounting treatment of goodwill. While doing the accounting treatment of goodwill, we have to follow strictly the accounting standard 26. Accounting standard 26 says that goodwill should be opened in the books of account only when the consideration for the goodwill is paid by cash or by kinds. Means consideration of the goodwill must be paid. Then only the goodwill account will be opened. Means goodwill account debit. Otherwise, if the goodwill is internally generated, in case of reconstitution of partnership firm, admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, change in profit sharing ratio, then goodwill account will not be opened, but the share of goodwill will be adjusted between the partners in their gaining and sacrificing ratio. So we have to follow the accounting standard 26 while doing treatment of goodwill. So if the goodwill is internally generated, then that will be adjusted, that share of goodwill will be adjusted in the partners capital account in their gaining and sacrificing ratios. Suppose A, B and C are partners. Their profit sharing ratio is, old ratio is 1:1:1. Now they are going to change their ratio 2:2:1, and the goodwill on that date is valued. Suppose 40,000. The profit sharing ratio has changed from 1:1:1 to 2:2:1. Now what we'll do, we'll find out the sacrificing ratio first, old ratio minus new ratio. So in case of A, old ratio is 1/3 and new ratio is 2/5. One by 15, it's negative. It means it's a gain. B, 1/3 minus 2/5 minus 1/15, it's also a gain. C, 1/3 old, new is 1/5, 2/5, 2/15, it's a sacrifice. C, sacrifice. So C's capital account will be debited. Sacrificing partners capital account will be credited, and gainers partners A's capital account, the partner who has gained, their capital account will be debited, and the partner who has sacrificed, their capital account will be credited. They are the gainer and C is the going to sacrifice. So partner who has sacrificed, their capital account will be credited, capital or current depending upon fixed cap, whether the capital is fixed or fluctuating. So capital account debit, gainers partner and sacrificing partners capital account will be credited. The valuation of goodwill on the date of change in profit sharing ratio is 40, so it will multiply to 40. 15 into 40. It was 2667, 2666, and here it is 2335. 5,333 when it is multiplied with the 40,000. 66.66 है, 66.66, so 67. In this way, we will do the treatment of goodwill. So, if the goodwill is internally generated, and it is internally generated when the partnership firm is reconstituted, and partnership firm is reconstituted in case of admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, change in profit sharing ratio, amalgamation of the two firms, partnership firm is reconstituted, and on that time we do the valuation of goodwill, and that goodwill will be adjusted, that amount of the goodwill will be adjusted in between the partner in their gaining and sacrificing ratio. The partner who is the gainer, their capital account will be debited, and the partner who has sacrificed, their capital account will be credited by way of multiplying the valuation of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill is this much, this will multiply it with the gaining into 40,000 into 40,000 and into 40,000. This amount you will get it. Okay. But if the goodwill is purchased, means money or money worth has been paid for it, then goodwill account will be opened. When the goodwill is purchased and the consideration for the goodwill is paid in cash or in kind, then goodwill account will be open, goodwill account will be debited. Then goodwill account will be debited when the money or money worth has been paid as per accounting standard 26. Is it clear? Now we'll see one question. A, B and C are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. A, B and C are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. Profit sharing ratio is 5:2. A, B and C are partners. Profit sharing ratio 5:3:2. This is the old ratio. A and B decided to share equally in future, keeping C's share of profit unchanged. C's share of profit will be unchanged, means 2/10. His share of profit will be 2/10, and they will share the profit equally. So 1 minus 2/10 C's share, so remaining profit is 8/10. So 8/10 will be divided into 2, 1/2. So it is 4/10 and 4/10. This is the new ratio. And on that date, the goodwill is valued. Goodwill of the firm is valued on this date. In the date of change in profit sharing ratio is rupees 1 lakh. Find out the new profit sharing ratio and pass an adjusting entry for the treatment of goodwill due to change in profit sharing ratio. So we have find out the new ratio. Easily we have find out the new ratio. So new ratio is 4:4:2, means 2:2:1. This is the new ratio. Now we'll find out the sacrificing ratio. We know the formula of sacrificing ratio, old ratio minus new ratio. So we'll calculate the sacrificing of A, 5/10 old ratio, new ratio is 4/10, so 1/10. B, 3/10 minus 4/10, it is 1/10 negative, it's a gain. C, 2/10 minus 2/10, nil, no sacrifice. So this 1 lakh will be divided between A and B. Here A has sacrificed, where the B is the gainer. So B's capital account will be debited, B's capital account will be debited, and A's capital account will be credited because A has sacrificed. By what amount? This will be multiplied to the value of goodwill 1 lakh. So it is 10,000. So 10,000, 10,000. This is the treatment of goodwill, being the value of goodwill is adjusted in the respective partners' capital account in their gaining and sacrificing ratio.